In this video, we are going to be replacing an elementary school's fire alarm system. This elementary school has a Edwards 6500 conventional fire alarm system, which is the original system from when the school was constructed in the early 70s. We are going to be replacing this fire alarm system with a new addressable fire alarm system. We will be installing a notifier NFS 320C, which is going to be a full addressable swap. This whole building will be all changed to addressable devices, and we will be replacing the original fire bells with electronic horn strobes. This building has had multiple additions done over the years, from the mid-70s to the early 90s. This is a unsprinklered building, therefore we have many currently conventional heat detectors in the building that will be changed, and hallway heat detectors will be changed out to addressable smoke detectors. All pull stations will also, of course, be changed to notifier addressable devices. This school also has a module classroom behind the building, and the current fire alarm system is still fully functional, but is being replaced as a preemptive measure, as well as to try and get the whole school district to all be notifier systems for easier use and easier maintenance, as well as easier additions. Anyways, with all that said, let's get into the video and start replacing this system. Guys, today we're going to be replacing a school's fire alarm system. I'm actually at a different school right now because we need to take this scissor lift from here over to the one we're going to. Now, make sure to remember during these replacements, what is done isn't my decisions. I'm just working here, not planning out or making the decisions. So if you don't like something, you can let me know in the comments, but don't have to take it personally out on me. It's going to be an Edwards 6500 that we're going to be going full addressable swap to a notifier NFS 320C. This is our 6500 here that's getting replaced. Our annunciator here. Here are some of our heat detectors. Pull stations, end of line plates, bases, electrical drawings. We're just figuring out what zones and bell circuits are what.
Yeah. Oh shit, it's working now, Nick.
The card's back to life?
Yeah. That might have been a connection. That one wasn't even in. Why wasn't that one in? That card's working again. That's what still tried it. How do we ring them, Bill? We got a test on you?
I just pull one of those zone cards, because remember, it goes kind of crazy if you pull one of the cards. Doesn't like that.
So we'll pull these three.
So you got all three pulled but the one we're looking for?
Yeah.
So we have all the bell cards pulled except for the one we're trying to find.
Which is probably right above your head, so don't be so shocked.
Testing 1, 2, 3, we're going to ring some fire alarm bells. Disregard, disregard. Thank you very much.
You know what? This one's not ringing here. That's ringing. I think this whole end's ringing. I think this whole end's probably ringing.
Probably down there. I think we should test and done it, make sure this will actually work.
Right.
So this is waiting on me to fix that one.
Going to plug the rest of the cards back in now. Did plugging in another card make it ring? Oh, so it's on a different NAT.
Yeah.
Weird.
So loud.
Fine, it just rings on a different knack circuit than the rest in the same general area, but it's fine. We've got some EOLs in the same box with the bell, which is illegal, so we have to cut into boxes below to put our EOLs in their own plate. And the first job I did is started replacing bells, as that is one of the first easy things that can be done regardless of the rest of the system. So because we don't have anything in the classrooms, I'm going to leave these set at high volume, and we never adjust candela, which doesn't make sense to me, but that's Canada for you. This school has a mixture of bells, so this one is a 439D Edwards, but we also have some Edwards MB10-24s, as well as some of the old Edwards Durabells. The area of the school I'm working in here is an addition, probably in the 80s. Fire doors just dropped. White and blue are negative.
Temperatures above T-bar.
Oh, well then our rate of rise ones won't do. Because they're rate of rise as well. But we could probably install a rate of rise. It's not going to hurt anything. If anything, it's better. Chop that off later. Because the actual rooms and classrooms in this building don't have any devices in them, I'm leaving the hallway devices at high volume, and then devices like this one in the library may be turned down to low. Bells don't matter for a device list because they just run off 24. But we are now creating one to get all of our addresses done properly to make sure that nobody runs into a double address from one person going, say, 0 to 100 and the next person 100 and up, so you don't hit dual addresses. This one I'm setting to low because it's in a library. This would cause problems if this was left on high. Basically, I'm running around changing all the bells and audibles and other guys finding end of lines as a address map is created to plan out what all our addresses will be. Say this bell in this room here, I will set that to low volume because as much as it's a fire alarm, it should be loud. We do know that we will get callbacks complaining. This one though, a hallway device, I'll leave that on high. Oh.
This guy hit no here.
Oh, okay.
And it comes back on this guy out to the end of the line, and this is the home run for Bell Circuit 2 over here.
Oh, God.
I think I'll make this one, we'll leave this one high. If they don't like it, we'll come back and change it. You guys sniffing glue over here or what?
But if you get me in the picture, I'm gonna have to get some of the credit.
Okay. Yeah.
Write me up in the credits.
Yeah.
Okay, and you put do like we can't really branch out from what we discussed. So this is zone 2, like go.
Nuts too big. Can't fit them in the driver. Nuts too big. Put this somewhere safe. For the annunciator here, we have a ACM 24AT as well as an LCD 280F. So we're gonna have your actual points or zones because we have to be able to display all the zones of Canada, and then we're gonna have the actual LCD 280F for our screen and control, which is nice because sometimes we only do the ACM 24 and we don't do the LCD 280, but I like that we'll actually have control at the annunciator. Plus a screen is always nice. So on our map here, all of these yellowish ones are heat detectors. Pink is smoke detectors. Many of those are currently heat that are going to be changed. This is what the above the ceiling heat detectors look like. So you do have them above your T-bar ceiling. So because our pull station count is, let's say 15, we could start marking the detectors at, say, no less than 25. Just so, actually no, it doesn't matter because these are modules. Those are different. Yeah. So we could start both at 0.
They start at 001.
Yeah, exactly. So that should be fine to start pull stations. I'm now going to start changing pull stations. I have a bucket of them down here, and I'm going to just highlight whereabouts in the building I am, highlight it, write the address number down. As you see, I hear pull station address number, so I'm gonna do that.
Address number 1.
So there you see, I just put that down as number 1. 2. One, two, three.
Even level.
Is level 2? Look at you.
Get out of town, eh?
So heat detectors that are in the hallways will be changed to smoke detectors, and the rest of the heats in the classrooms and above the ceiling will be left heat detectors. I mean, personally, I'd change them. I mean, except for the ones over the T-bar, but whatever. We've got 3 pull stations in the gym, 2 bells, 4 heat detectors. Yeah, maybe call him, because I took this one down. I'm taking video of this too, and I couldn't fit that on it. So we need some sort of stopper, because if this can get hit so easy and get pulled. So if he brings like a T-bar, like the NMPS, whatever it's called, that'd be better for the gym.
Hey Jess, what about you? What?
So we're gonna put metal NMPSs in the gym. Okay there guys, that's going to be it for this day 1. This is what we've got done for day 1. We got most of the pulls done, and today nothing went as quick because we had to pull out the old system and label all of the circuits, as well as another guy started coming up with the map of addressing of the detectors. So once that's all done, things will start to speed up. But that's going to be it for day 1. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and make sure to come back for part 2 if you're interested. And if you do enjoy my channel, make sure to subscribe. And if you're interested, I do have an Instagram account at Pickle700 for bonus content posted earlier than you'd see it on the YouTube channel, that sort of thing. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching.